All right, guys, we just got off the ship here in Cozumel. We're gonna take a walk around. It's humid as all get out, so we're not gonna be off the ship too long. The ship has a ton of amenities. Basically, it makes you not even want to get off the ship, but the water is teal and it's see-through teal.
'All what's good? So we're here in Cozumel, just getting off of the ship. Honestly, I did not want to come out because it is so hot. We're gonna see if this little makeup that I have on melts off my face by the time we come back. So this will be y'all little before, so we're gonna see how this goes.
5 minutes later.
Well, y'all, I think we've been off the ship for like maybe 10 minutes, literally long enough to take a couple pictures, and we are drenched with sweat. And if this sweat running into my eyes ain't burning, like, oh my god, like it's dang near blinding. Like how much this is burning. So I don't know if it's the product or if it's just straight sweat, but yeah, so I'm ready to go back on the ship, the comfort of the cool.
So we'll catch y'all on the inside of the ship, and we're a little bit dry and a little bit cooler.